Imagine a land where over 300 distinct ethnic groups speak more than 700 languages, all united under one flag. Welcome to Indonesia, a sprawling archipelago where every island tells a different story, yet all contribute to the national motto, unity in diversity. Travel across the vast Indonesian landscape and one discovers a mosaic of cultural practices, beliefs, and traditions. From the intricate dance dramas of Bali to the grand traditional houses of the Toraja in Sulawesi, each region offers a unique cultural imprint that enriches the national identity. In Java, the heartland of Indonesia, the Javanese, Sundanese, and Madurese cultures dominate. Here, art forms like wayang kulit, shadow puppetry, and the elegant movements of the Javanese and Sundanese dances speak volumes about the region's rich cultural heritage. The gamelan orchestra, with its gongs and xylophones, accompanies many cultural ceremonies, creating a soundscape as intricate as the cultural tapestry of the island itself. Venture further east to the islands of Nusa Tenggara, and the cultural landscape shifts dramatically. The Sasak people of Lombok practice a form of Islam that is interwoven with Hindu-Buddhist influences and indigenous animist beliefs, a testament to the island's diverse historical influences. Their weddings, a vibrant festival of color and tradition, not only celebrate a union but also the communal values that hold the society together. In the verdant highlands of Papua, the Dani tribe offers another flavor to Indonesia's cultural diversity. Their traditional ceremonies and rituals, including the famous pig feast, are a window into the complex relationship they maintain with nature and their ancestors. Religious diversity is just as vivid. Indonesia is the largest Muslim-majority country in the world, yet it is home to vibrant Hindu, Christian, Buddhist, and indigenous religious communities. Bali, known as the Island of 1,000 Temples, celebrates Hindu festivals with such grandeur and devotion that they are major tourist attractions, drawing visitors from around the globe. This religious and cultural pluralism is underpinned by Pancasila, the official philosophical foundation of the Indonesian state, which emphasizes religious tolerance and unity. This foundation supports a society where mosques, temples, churches, and shrines stand often in close proximity, each a beacon of the diverse faiths practiced across the islands. What truly binds these diverse cultural threads into a single national identity is not just the shared history or the geographical boundaries, but the Indonesian people's commitment to the principle of unity and diversity. This principle is not merely inscribed in symbols and slogans, but lived daily through festivals, through communal cooperation, and through the respect for each other's traditions and beliefs. As Indonesia marches forward, the strength drawn from its diverse cultural tapestry becomes ever more apparent. It is not just the beauty of the dances, the resonance of the music, or the grandeur of the religious ceremonies that define Indonesia, but the harmony with which these diverse elements coalesce to form a robust, unified national identity. In conclusion, Indonesia teaches the world a profound lesson on unity. Amidst the diversity of its islands, languages, and traditions, the nation stands united, showcasing the true power of embracing differences while forging a shared future. This indeed is the spirit of Indonesia.